Of the following propositions, almost any one of them is sufficient, I apprehend, to prove the unconstitutionality of all laws prohibiting private mails. 1. The Constitution of the United States, Article 1, Section 8, declares that the Congress shall have power to establish post offices and post roads. These words contain the whole grant, and therefore express the extent of the authority granted to Congress. They define the power, and the power is limited by the definition. The power of Congress, then, is simply to establish post offices and post roads of their own, not to interfere with those established by others. 2. The Constitution expresses, neither in terms nor by necessary implication, any prohibition upon the establishment of mails, post offices, and post roads by the states or individuals. 3. The Constitution expresses, neither in terms nor by necessary implication, any surrender on the part of the people of their own natural rights to establish mails, post offices, or post roads at pleasure. 4. The simple grant of an authority, whether to an individual or a government, to do a particular act, gives the grantee no authority to forbid others to do acts of the same kind. 5. It cannot be said to be necessary to prohibit competition in order to obtain funds for establishing the government mail, because Congress, in order to carry out this power, as well as others, are authorized, if necessary, to lay and collect taxes, duties, imposts, and excises, and this is the only compulsory mode mentioned in the Constitution for providing the support of any department of the government. 6. The power given to Congress is simply to establish post offices and post roads of their own, not to forbid similar establishments by the states or people. 7. The power granted to Congress on the subject of mails is both in its terms and in its nature additional to, not destructive of, the pre-existing rights of the states and the natural rights of the people. 8. In matters of government, the people are principals and the government mere agents, and it is only as the servants and agents of the people that Congress can establish post offices and post roads. 9. It is a natural right of men to labor for each other for hire. This right is involved in the right to acquire property, a right which is guaranteed by most of the state constitutions and not forbidden by the national constitution. No law which forbids the exercise of this right in a particular case can be constitutional unless a clear authority be shown for it in the Constitution. No authority is shown for prohibiting the labor of carrying letters. 10. If there were any doubt as to the legal construction of the authority given to Congress, that doubt would have to be decided in favor of the largest liberty and the natural rights of the individuals, because our government, state and national, profess to be founded on the acknowledgement of men's natural rights and to be designed to secure them, and anything ambiguous must be decided in conformity with this principle.